Who is that? Let's see.
Yeah. All right, I got DB up. I got DB.
Okay, calm.
5 minutes. 5 minutes, lads. Ah,
Um,
happens once only. As long as it's not happening anymore, we're sweet.
yeah, I want to look at Euro USD. I'll pull up FXCM because I have drawings on other ones. Get rid of all that. Alright, so I'm gonna look at Euro USD. Are you gonna look at gold, Roy?
How do you reckon?
Up to you, G. Um,
I was thinking we run a bit through Dixie. We'll have Dixie up
oh
somewhere.
yeah, that's important. I can't believe I forgot. Dixie.
Um, yeah, I'll chuck gold up.
Yeah, have a look at gold. Alright, so currently for Dixie, we have this volume imbalance right here, which immediately draws my attention. Um, 50% of this wick also draws my attention. And then we've got, obviously, if we really have a run down, we have the sell side liquidity under this low. And then I like these two highs here. Um, buy side liquidity above there. And then we do have this volume imbalance as well. So that's worth noting. Down to the 4. What are you thinking for Dixie, Roy? What is?
For Dixie,
I mean, it's all news dependent. We're about to find out.
yeah, we're about to find out. All right, so what's expected for CPI? Um, what's that? 0.5 month to month.
Yeah, I saw. Wait, 1 sec. You got 3 minutes. It's calm. How's it going, guys? How's everyone feeling leading up to this? So, like, let's see. Yeah, so for core
Yeah,
CPI, 5.5% is forecasted with 5.7% previous. Core CPI, that was year on year. Month on month is 0.4. Core CPI, yeah. So core CPI month on month is 0.4% expected, 0.4% previous. Year on year, 6.2% expected, 6.4% previous, and month on month, 0.5% expected and 0.1% previous. Right. Yeah,
And
so
just so you know, every single percentage point or every single 0.1% that it deviates will cause huge moves in this markets because the markets are on edge from the NFP release. I'm telling you, this is going to be a fireworks.
just to sum it up for you guys. So if we come in higher than expected, it is bullish for the Dixie. Was that right, Dana?
Yep, that's correct. That's correct.
So bullish for the Dixie, it means it's going to send all the markets down. So crypto, forex, basically anything paired with the Dixie. Lower than expected, the opposite. We expect some sort of rally. So yeah, 1 minute.
I hop on the 1 minute charts, boys. Get your 1 minute charts out. Euro
The one
USD
minute
looks like
chart
it's
now.
coiling up for a move. So does Dixie. It's consolidating. I reckon we'll obviously see the there we go. Big pump in Dixie.
It hasn't even hit
Big wick.
11:30 yet.
Yeah, big wick up
Our
in
time.
Dixie. They're front running the news. Um,
Looking for you.
I'm gonna look at Nasdaq.
Are we going to do some paper trades yet, or?
Yeah. We'll jump on the paper charts. Oh, look at this Nasdaq price action. Big fat wick to
Even
the
come yet.
upside. Yeah, Dixie's holding this candle. It looks good. I'm already saying bullish for Dixie news. I don't think this is a
11:30.
fake out. Oh, look at. Can somebody look at the stream and look at what Nasdaq just did?
Oh, bro.
Look at
Is it
Dixie. Not
8:30?
even that
Oh, it
much.
is. It is.
8:30.
Now it is. Now it
Dixie's
is.
Dixie's launched, bro.
Oh my goodness! What? Look at the gap. Look at the gap.
What do we got? What do we
What
got?
what
What
am I
is it?
looking at?
CPI core came in the same 0.4, 0.4. CPI month on month came in the same 0.5,
Oh, that's
0.5.
bullish for markets.
That has to be bullish.
Oh, but everything's dumped. Oh, look at this
That
wick
has,
on Euro USD. Alright,
but
guys. Well, in case ever anyone's new and they haven't noticed, when these news events come out, we don't trade the second that the news comes out. That's a gamble. But over the next few minutes, we'll be able to find setups. Just look at this gap on Dixie.
CPI year on year came in higher than
ooh,
expected.
Yeah, you see,
ooh.
this is the problem I have with news news events. You never actually know what it's like. Okay,
Yes, month on month are the same. Year
let's
on year
see.
is the
What do
only
we
higher one.
clear on? Okay, so we've taken all this liquidity here on Euro USD. Um, let's see. So this went all the way back up to there. I'd be interested to see where this next candle goes, because we do have all of these untapped highs up here. Um,
I think the dump was because of headline inflation, because of the headline inflation. Despite the month on month coming in like that, the headline inflation was 6.4% instead of what
am I the
it's
only
predicted
one
as
wigging
6.2.
out about this Dixie? Look at the Dixie. Look at the gap. Is it only on
Yeah,
Capital Com or is it on TVC as well? Oh, it's not on TVC. It's not on TVC. Okay, calm. Yeah, look at TVC. Yeah, this. Okay, so we didn't take the highs, which is quite interesting.
This is the
Um,
highest CPI change month on month since October. Just putting some context out there.
let's see. Dixie and ooh, okay. If we take these lows, I'm gonna be quite interested. But until then, it's
I want a
simply
long gold.
just
Hey,
long gold. Okay, okay. Now we've got a breaker. Now we've got a confirmed breaker. I'm looking for sells on Dixie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think we get some nice longs here. Okay, Euro USD. Yeah. This. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. When we
what's
when
that
we
PY there?
retrace, on Euro,
Yeah,
it's daily volume imbalance, and then this is the looking at the buy stops above this high.
that's nice actually.
Oh, it's just cleared it in one big wick. Are you guys anyone trading this? Anyone got the
Yeah,
balls to try? Anyone got the
yeah.
balls
Let
to
us know
put
if you're
their money
trading.
in? Yeah, that was kind of. I mean, I don't know. Like it pumped so much leading up to this news, but like in terms of this price action, it is normal that it's hard to tell whether they're going to do a fake out up and then a fake out down and then the real move up, or whether they fake out down, fake out up, and then fake out down. Do you know what I mean?
The
Oh,
well, thing
Dixie
is,
dumped.
technically, the year on year rate's bullish for Dixie,
Yeah, but I
but
think it's
definitely don't
it.
look like it.
Yeah, I think like the month on month is gonna be what the market focuses on more because like those came in. Watch 50% on this level on this wick by the way on Nasdaq. Um, Euro you could take. I mean, it's hard to say, but you could take some risky longs here. I'm trying to think. It's probably better to wait, but it has flipped that previous sell side and the volume imbalance. So if we find support here, then the rally can continue. But yeah, let's let this retrace. Dixie, if we even get a move back up into this breaker, I'd look for sells there. How did how did the markets? Okay, so I'm assuming crypto was a lot less volatile as usual. Let's see, let's see.
Check
We should
out.
get some setups here, guys. Look for discount. Okay, we've left 50% of that wick. This is my new POI right here. But I don't know if it even delivers to there. But I'd be waiting for there before I enter anything. Um, EU. Yeah, come back down. Yeah, Dixie, theoretically, it should retrace slightly more. Roy, what are you looking at?
Look at ETH.
ETH. How's the price action?
It's just trash, bro. Literally. Just
Later,
that.
Konchki.
Even Nasdaq looks better.
Yeah, I love me some Nasdaq. Alright, we'll see if we get a move into this POI. I'll consider taking some longs, but I need the Dixie to retrace more. EU. What a candle. Okay, so on the daily, now that we've taken this buy side, where can we expect this thing to go? So we have this big daily sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency, which we've currently just tapped into. Um, I'd look for 50% of this. So that should be the next logical draw on liquidity. One sec, guys. I can't see. I can't see what, like, unless I open Streamlabs, I can't see what the sounds are. Like, if it's follow or. Um, let's see.
What was it? Was there a
Yeah,
follow on there?
I had a notification, but I can't see. so so apologies if someone followed us. Thank you. We're still working on the stream setup. Um, it's a work in
Yeah, this will be a
progress.
short one, guys. It's just trade in the news, basically.
Yeah, it's
Obviously, we advise not to
11:36
trade,
p.m.
but
Yeah, we were paper trading. There's nothing else on my computer here. No way. Um, welcome Teddy. First time chat. Nice to see you here. Still waiting for discount on this price leg on Nasdaq. As we said, Dixie should begin to rise. Expecting EU lower as well. Nasdaq is interesting though. Let's see what happens, guys.
crypto's kind of trash, bro. It's just taking buy side and sell side in
Yeah,
one candle.
C1,
So it's like,
we got uni tomorrow. There's an assignment due. Okay, Nasdaq now hit my POI. Um, okay, I'm looking. Oh, I forgot to log in. Oh my goodness. Oh, I forgot to log in, boys. Right.
surely expected. Come on.
Okay, okay. Oh, I don't want to see any candle closes under this. But Dixie does have a bit to go, so I'm a bit hesitant to long Nasdaq right now. EU should be retracing. Okay, focus shifts automatically now from Nasdaq to EU. As you can see, we've still got this. Um, where's the 50% level of that? Okay, so we've left that. Let me just pull up this paper trading. Oh my goodness. Why is it not showing? Yeah, detention, you're right. It's just game of patience. A lot of people are getting burned right now, longing and shorting. It's just simply not worth a setup, in my opinion. Dixie's. Are you looking at Dixie, Oro?
Oh, BTC.
Since when are you so? This man hasn't been looking at crypto for a while.
Yeah, good on Forex. It's just much better.
It's so much better. I can't explain how much better it is. Um.
I'm looking for
Okay.
BTC long, man.
BTC long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
What do you reckon?
Um. Looking for a Euro USD long, Mr. For. Okay, it's given discount now.
He's a weak my POI, but
Did you not enter?
I didn't enter it. I didn't enter it.
Come down to here and I'll buy. Did Dixie hit? Okay, Dixie should dump from here. Oh,
Yeah,
pretty soon.
definitely avoid trading these days, Bob.
Yeah,
Like
it's not.
CPI especially.
It's simply not worth it. I don't know how to explain, especially with live funds. It's just simply not worth it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
that's
get
right,
easily burnt.
Bob. We
But
all do.
BTC,
We all get easily burnt in these. It's just not worth it. But I'm
but BTC looks
probably
like it
going
might be
to.
going a bit lower.
Oh,
Might be
okay,
going a
so
bit lower for
I
an
want
entry.
this to respect this POI. Let's see. 50% level right there.
You're degen, Bob, mate. You're degen.
50x, jeez, you got some balls, mate. Okay, Dixie's. You see, this is why, like, at the end of the day, the news is so hard to like determine in the moment whether it's bullish or bearish. This is just the market digesting. People don't know if it's bullish. People don't know if it's bearish. Retail gets faked out that way. Traders get faked out this way, and stop losses. It's basically just a payday for the market makers. Not really much else. Yeah, Nasdaq looked like it wants lower than the low that it made on the dump before the pump. I'm just interested in EU. I want to see some willingness to rise. Let's see. Where's the 50% level of this? I'm not really seeing. Okay, yeah, this is better. Dixie hit. If it finds support here, it's not going to be good. But if it just dumps through it. Okay, yep. I'll take. Retrace a little bit. Come on. Alright, I bought Euro USD.
We definitely need to suss some beats for these streams.
Yeah, man. It's actually going to be crazy. If we have some. Oh, we just need to figure out how to not make the sound show up on YouTube because we get copyright striked instantly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the
bro.
only problem. Like we can put up beats on the stream, that doesn't matter. But because we upload them to YouTube, we still need to figure out how to create the different audio channel for just the music to come through.
Danielle, do you want to cover that question?
Higher than expected. So theoretically, the headline inflation came in higher, which means theoretically, according to the textbook, crypto and risk assets such as forex as well, indices, they all should dump theoretically. However, we have been pricing in quite a lot of this inflation over the last couple weeks, maybe
No
about last
SMT at the
week.
lows.
So it really these news events, it's too hard to determine the direction, the overall direction for now. However, it does show that inflation is still a bit of a factor for the Fed to consider.
I want to see Dixie lose this volume imbalance with speed. It should
Yeah, I
not
might have to
find.
suss that plugin for OBS.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I found something, but I just haven't gotten around to it.
How did GU react from the news? There's no SMT at the lows for indices, but I feel like there will be soon. Oh,
Long AUD USD.
you reckon?
Yeah, gee.
I mean, it's
You're
basically
along it.
everything against Dixie. No SMT here either. Let's see. Plugin for OBS that separates the audio file. No, you don't know what it's called. Okay, we'll have a look in, but thanks anyway. That's helpful. We'll need to suss. It's gonna be so much better when we get some beats on. Um, Nasdaq, GU. Yeah, I want this thing to send lower. Shouldn't show willingness to accept at the premium that this is.
AUD's printing, bruv.
Absolutely,
Are
chops
you in
to
a
tell
paper
me,
trader?
mate.
Are you looking at AU, right?
Yeah, AUD.
I'm on BTC.
Gee, I'm already
5
in.
minute.
I'm already in.
Same.
In BTC.
No, not BTC. I'm in I don't like that. I'm in Euro USD. We'll see. I want to see this fair value gap should get respected, or I'm likely gonna cut the trade earlier because yeah, I didn't like this. You see, I said I wanted to descend away from here. Yeah, GU's looking. It's looking stronger than Euro, to be honest. Yeah, this isn't looking too good, boys.
If you're new to the streams, guys, let us know where you're from so we can get a gauge of our audience.
Yeah, What are you guys thinking? What assets are you guys looking at? Any assets you want us to go over? Um, like something you're trading? We can have a look. I just got my finger on this button to close this euro long, cause I don't know, the Dixie's kind of weird. It's good that we didn't take
FTM,
out this
mate.
low.
Yeah, do you want to suss FTM?
FTM? Phantom. Oh, mate, I haven't looked at Phantom in a very long time. Let's see. How'd she react to the news? Um, okay. So this high gets cleared without a doubt.
Overtaken CE of that, eh?
Yeah, already.
Yeah.
Well, if if I knew about this like here, if I was looking at FTM here, this fair value gap was an easy buy. Let's see how he's doing.
So there's some
Okay,
alts,
okay.
mate.
Yeah, let's look at some alts.
I'm jumping on Sol.
Jumping on Sol. Anything else you guys are? We got 32 people in here, but no one's talking in the chat. Come on, guys, you're slacking. um, Ada, Roy, look at Ada.
Ada.
Yeah. Okay, this
I
is
would look
good.
at
This
ADA
is
and
nice. It
Solo.
didn't take the high. Um, 840, 845, 840, 840. Okay, so no SMT there. Yeah, no SMT with Dixie.
Ooh.
AUD still ripping up 0.3%. Let me just make that
Why is
clear.
Euro lagging then? Uh, what was it? I actually completely forgot what I was gonna look at. Oh, GBP USD. Yeah, no SMT here either. Interesting. Why are correlated markets moving like they're meant to?
I'd like you long ADA.
Do you know? Should I put you on stream in a show? Um,
Yeah.
wait, what? Daniel, which one is it again?
Right,
It's
just hide yours.
oh, I need to
Hide
hide
yours.
mine. Where's
Yeah,
that? Screen capture. Oh
yeah.
my goodness.
Screen capture. Rose should be there. Hide yours.
I did. Oh, bro.
And now unhide Rose. No, yours is still there.
No, I haven't. It's not on live yet. Are you looking at? Wait. Mine is off.
Right. I can still see
Unhard
your
me.
screen.
Hmm? Yeah,
Oh.
You
because
need to
it's not
try and
on live, mate.
unhide Royston and hide yourself.
Oh my
Doesn't matter
goodness.
about the live.
Bruv, I've tried. Unhide my screen and unhide Roy's screen. It doesn't show up.
Hide
Oh my
yours.
goodness. It is. Sorry about this, guys. You know how brothers argue. Mate, are you looking?
I'll come downstairs.
Jeez. Alright, let's see. How am I stopped? Okay, you I like this. Um, let's see how Dixie's going. Okay, so next POI for Dixie is this low volume imbalance right here. Yeah, look at how it bounced there. So you don't want to see it go. It should respect this fair value gap. But we do have a little one above it, so be conscious of that. And we do have this one here, if it really wants to come back. Mate, he's come all the way here. Oh, that's not what you were telling me to do. That is not what you showed me to do before we went live. Listen, he's a fraud. That's not what he showed me to do before we went live. No, no, no. He's a fraud. Don't listen to him.
Yeah, there can still BSL up here. But I like you want to short this now. Just this volume imbalance, bro.
NFA, NFA, but do your own research. If you want to short, you short.
Yeah, NFA lads, NFA. FTM.
FTM. Okay, you
You
guys
love
are, yeah,
FTM, eh?
you guys are phantom. What do they call it? The FTM army,
Mate.
mate. Rosa, what are you? I don't even know what I was gonna say.
Yeah, I'm Euro USD all day, mate.
Yeah,
Euro USD.
I'm a GBP man. I'm a man of the GBP. What is capital K? The Brit. Um.
Probably.
AUD USD is absolutely printed for me, boys. I'm telling you.
What do you want to
Of
long?
the entry, of the entry, 0.67%.
Bro, that's cracked. We need to suss a way to get you on stream as well. Okay,
But
so
technically, I'll be counter trading you then, don't
You reckon?
short. Counter trade him. You won't. Counter trade him. Let's go.
You actually, my TV's about to get hit. I hope it's gonna clear that high at
But as soon as I hit CE, not CE, main threshold here, nah, CE. As soon as I hit CE here, I'm selling,
You're
and I'll
selling.
cut above here.
I'm,
Um,
I'm chasing a little bit more. I'm chasing a little bit more, and it's just got a bit higher from my TP.
Roy, do you want to look at what CoinStacker said?
Poonsucker,
Yeah.
so I'll render. Got lucky
Render.
it's above now 200%. How long do I stay low,
I mean,
mate?
technically the CPI is looking like it's in your favor.
But if I was you, I'd be out, mate.
I'd
200%.
take,
I'd take that.
I'd take.
Yeah.
This ain't financial advice, but if you're up 200% at a CPR like this,
Listen. No, I'll phrase it. Taking profit has never not paid the trader before. It's a
Yeah,
flawless method. You get there's four things guaranteed in life: death, taxes, um, getting wrecked trading news events, and taking profit paying you. There's not really much else I can guarantee in life.
yeah, mate. If you want if it desires your DGen heart, mate, I'd take off like 60% at
at
least, the minimum,
least
bro.
partials, at least partials.
Yeah,
Alright, wait, Rory, do you reckon I could put my screen back on to show this Euro
yeah,
USD
yeah, yeah.
paper long? Um, alright, there we go. Okay.
AUD's coming down. I think I'm gonna add in.
Yeah, it's
Mate,
because Dixie's retracing slightly. Um, yeah, just okay. So in terms of Dixie now, yeah, we want to look at that. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. I'll just look at what
still
it
want to
does at
short this.
this fair value gap. Yeah, technically you're counter trading me as well because I'm currently in a long on Euro USD. But I mean, you're trading ADA at the
Thing
end
is,
of the
I'm
day.
shorting with clear BSL above, but
Okay, yeah.
you know what? I favor the volume imbalance more, G. I don't know.
Fair enough. Fair enough. I respect it. Um, Appreciate to hear that, CoinStacker. Let us know, guys. There's 28 people in here. Let us know what you think of the live streams. If you have any feedback, feel free to let us know. Constructive criticism is always accepted. Yeah, the FTM cleared those highs that I said it would, by the way, for those of you who asked for FTM. Um, Next, I'd be looking for the top of this imbalance, but it depends on what it does after taking the high. Okay, Dixie should dump from this fair value gap, or I'm probably gonna close this long. I feel like this low could get swept, but what I look for now is SMT between GU and EU. Um, okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna get out of this long. Dixie looks like it wants higher. I'll
Oh,
put
surely
a stop loss in.
not.
I should probably put a stop loss in, eh?
Yeah.
That might be a good idea. What? I can't. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll just go under that low. What? What did I just do? I just sold. What? How did I just? Oh, gee, this paper. this trading view? No, I didn't. Oh, it's a sell order, bro. I don't understand this trading view paper trading. Um,
I reckon I've
We
caught the
see
bottom twice on
Vegas top
AUD.
TP and stop loss.
Pranav, yeah, that's correct. And then it's just that and experience. Um,
I reckon I've caught the bottom on AUD
Great to
twice
see you
on
guys
the move
like
up.
it. Mate, this guy keeps on talking about AUD.
Like, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, and I'll tell you
Okay,
my
yeah, you
entries.
see how I said Dixie? This breaker is what to watch. You don't want to see acceptance at the low of this fair value gap now. You want to see it move lower. And then clear these volume imbalances with no regard for them whatsoever. Because technically, it's not taken these highs yet, as EU and GU have not taken the lows yet. Um, Alright,
Pull
let's
up
have a look at
AUD
this AUD
USD
USD.
quickly. Pull up, I'll tell you my entries.
What?
My first
What are you
entry,
talking about?
AUD USD, bro.
Men's. He's so he's so
You
Aussie.
see, you see that bottom there. You see the first bottom on the yeah.
Yeah, wait. I'm back on
The
80
one
now.
at 8:40 a.m.
Yeah,
EST. Yep,
yeah,
I got another body of those ones,
yeah. So here.
and then
Oh,
yeah,
that's
just
showing
a
a
bit
lot of
above,
strength compared to
just a
like
bit above, and
EU.
then I added in at this recent low,
Mate, you're degen.
just chasing the high at
I mean, that's all you
0.70299.
need. If you're trading with any amount of size, that's all you need. You don't need a lot. Okay,
Two
so
positions, just chasing the high.
we want. I said we're getting squeezed between the low of this fair value gap here and this volume imbalance. You don't want to see this continue to accept in here. This is not looking good for EU. Yeah, like this is just boring. You kind of um. This is kind of boring. Like we got the initial move that nobody could have traded or nobody could have got, and then now we just have chop. I'm getting bored. Roy, what are you looking at?
Still an 80 AA. Like it's just doing
Man
nothing.
is waiting for this ADA trade.
It's messing around under the FEG, bro. Still waiting for CEO of it though.
Um, yeah, like look at this consolidation. It looks like. I mean, what does the 5 look like? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really convinced of Dixie going lower based on the 5. The 15 looks kind of either way though. But I feel like we do need to see some up. We took big sell side here. That was what I was looking at. I mentioned it in the weekly bias. We took this sell side. Um, Technically and theoretically, this is looking like Dixie wants to go up, but it's just consolidation sideways, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Bounce off that volume imbalance.
On Dixie,
Dixie.
yeah, on the one, yeah, I don't,
Mm.
I want to see it send away from these. So this up close candle here should not be supporting the price moving higher. If we get acceptance back above this, it's probably gonna take this high. Um, let's see, let's see how it goes. It's just getting squeezed behind the institutional order flow, how it should be going down, and these volume imbalances over here. Dixie actually trades. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know. It's just chopping around, but Dixie does. It's hard to tell. The 15, I mean the 5 kind of looks like it wants higher. I don't really know. It looks like it wants these highs here at least. I want to see right now in this situation. I want to look for what pair between GBP USD and Euro USD is showing strength against the dollar index. If, for example, if GBP doesn't take out this low and Euro takes out this low, I'll be looking to long GBP. It does look like it's stronger right now. I'll probably cut this, or I'll just leave the stop loss in there. But I'm looking at GU right now. Right, look at GU. It's looking quite strong versus, um,
Yeah, SMT.
I mean, not confirmed yet, but it depends on what this Dixie does.
Bob's right. OP's been ripping.
Yeah, I
Cheeky
don't.
optimism.
I remember Roy and I made a shit ton of money off optimism when it just came out. Oh my goodness, you remember those days?
Bro, mate, if you think we're DJing now, oh,
Back then it
back
was
then,
crazy. Okay, yeah, there's SMT, GBP, and EU. I want to notice to everyone who's still watching. Can you see how on Euro USD this was taken out? This 854 low, whereas on GBP USD it was not. Higher low here, lower low here. That means that this is showing relative strength compared to Euro USD. Um, yeah, like we're just flirting around with this breaker. I want resistance at the top of this volume imbalance. No acceptance above. Yeah, there we go. Send it. why can't it just dump? What happened to all the I feel like it's probably gonna consolidate until the 9:30 opening. Then you get some nice volatility.
why am I waiting on an ADA trade?
What are we doing with our lives? We have an assignment due tomorrow. Oh, mate. This degree is something else.
Keep adding in on AUD when it comes back to my second entry.
Mate, you must have a big position on this already. I mean,
Yep.
what's your draw on AU?
Oh mate, I'm just chasing the high it made at 833. The 832, 833 candle high.
Fair enough.
I just wanted to get swept.
Yeah, I don't like this Dixie consolidation. It needs to just leave all of this behind. Do you see what I mean by these volume imbalances?
Yeah.
It's not looking good, bruv. I mean, these lows don't look clean. It'll probably get taken, but unless this, yeah, the Dixie's probably gonna, uh, I don't know. It's like I can't tell what this thing wants to do, but I'll probably get out of this long. Yeah, closed. The entry that I took was here, as you can see. Um, this the blue arrow at 107607, and the exit was 107617. So I caught 10 pips on CPI. On the most volatile trading day, I caught 10 pips. Nice.
Bro.
Alright, so SMT is currently, or it might be getting invalidated. We might see, yeah, this, okay, so I'd now look at this. 9 a.m. low and 9:03 a.m. low. 9 a.m. low, 9:03 a.m. low. But it's it's just there's no clear direction. I genuinely feel like the market's just gonna wait for um the 9:30 equities open. The PM session today. If any of you guys genuinely want to trade today and you do see a setup, um I'd 100% favor the PM session of New York trading, or at least wait until 9:30. The equities open and uh London close kill zone. Okay, yeah, so look. GU's dumping, taken out the 854 low. So the S&T originally was invalidated. But we'll see what it does in relative to this low, because unless it's sweeping this, Euro doesn't really have a reason to come down here. Um, Whereas GBP, it's got this imbalance right here, and I mean, I don't really know. What is the Dixie doing? I did say that on the 5 that it wanted these highs. So let's see what happens when it takes that.
Right.
Are you gonna tie a G? Yeah, should
Mate,
we?
this ADA trade bloody just bro, there's literally two wicks right under the entry.
Or do you
And
wanna
it's just
do you wanna
run
put
down.
your um?
Yeah, I'll jump on.
Yeah. How did Danielle do it again? Settings. Made. There we go.
Thank you, mate.
What is he doing?
What's it doing here? What's it doing here? Ah, you seeing this? You seeing this here?
Oh, mate, you just got front ran. Nah, I think that's just
Nah.
inducing.
Thing is,
What
we
does
still
a
got these
one
highs
look
up here.
like?
The partials on AUD. It's
We got
moving
these highs
against
up
me.
here.
Yeah, don't know. Dixie's bullish.
See what the one looks like.
Yeah, what does it want to do? Um, let's see. What's the chat? OP looks to be back on the move up. Oh yeah, we talked about that. Started leverage trading just before OP broke out in July last year and got proper scared of the green trades and ended up losing shorts, but it just kept roping most of the time. Yeah, so that's a common thing that you'll see when a token gets released. It's either it goes to zero and everybody who tries to long gets burned, or the opposite happens and you get the people trying to fade it, and then it just rips through their faces in big green dildos. Dixie? Okay,
I
yeah,
added at
so
the recent low in AUD.
it's
About to take.
taken these highs that I said it would on the 5. Um, we didn't hit 50% of this wick, which is quite interesting. Um, let's get rid of that. Yeah, we seem to
Should
be
have been in render.
should have been in
Bro.
render. Yeah, how's that doing? Let me have a look at render.
There's
Actually,
ADA is just running further and further away from entry.
Oh,
It's
mate,
wonderful.
there's nothing more painful than the missed than the missed entries when your asks or your bids are just sitting there like clowns and the price just runs away. Um, so CoinStacker about render. The draw should be this high, at
You want to
least.
jump on?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I'll jump on. I was talking to myself there.
Yeah, bro, you were chatting. And I'm like, bro, they can't see your chart.
um, this is probably the draw for render. But we have cleared all the ones under, and I'll wager we we went off 50% of that wick. So unless you see some sort of like reversal signs, I'd probably TP partial at least. Leave a runner for up here though. Um, are you like swing trading it?
What's this render?
Yeah, no. Coinstacker. Is he like in a swing? If he's 200% up, I
Is
don't know.
he in?
Yeah, no. Are you still in? I'm pretty sure he's still in.
No way. No way. He's still in.
Are you still in Coinstacker? Oh, he took half. Yeah, that's good. At 1.63. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'd just move your stop up. You can protect yourself under this low or under this low if you want. Um, but it's probably worth leaving a runner for here just in case we do get some more upside. On the 4, I mean, if you really want to hold, you could see this imbalance, but I don't think the risk to reward is worth it. Yeah, so Dixie's finally reaching consequent encouragement of that 50-minute wick. Yeah, if we don't reject off this level, yep, it's probably gonna take this high. Alright, let me just. We'll see what this
Soldiers
can
joined
do.
us.
What would you say? Oh,
Soldier.
welcome, Soljero, welcome to the stream. Um, Roy, we'll probably go for like 5 more minutes.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Easy. Any questions, guys? Any
are we are we long or short? Because I'm thinking ABT.
APTU degen? Mate, that's my favorite shitcoin to trade.
Like it's more liquid than Bitcoin, I reckon.
What is this guy on about? Okay, so
Nah, honestly, like,
Dixie, yeah, you want to see? I mean, I believe the draw on Dixie. If we close this 5 minute candle above this, oh, it closed on it. Okay, yeah, but no interest in going. Yeah, this is the draw on Dixie, in my opinion.
Is it?
Yo,
The chat looks better, on the stream.
um, someone
Like the
talk so I
chat
can.
box.
Someone talk so I can have a look. Say something. Okay, I'll say something myself. You guys are lazy. Oh wait, Dan Gene said hello. Um.
I'm watching these moments.
Oh yeah. That looks a lot better. That
It's
does
a
look a lot
stream
better.
delay. It's a stream delay. That's why.
No. It's not about that.
No,
It's
I'm saying that they only said hello. They only started
oh,
having
bro.
because it's a stream delay. After you get it, you get it.
Apologies, guys. Didn't mean to attack you.
Let me just say, after I took partials and you did stop me at on the rest. The
Mate,
whole
I
move.
told you Dixie was bullish. Yeah, okay. Since we're gonna be hopping off soon, I'll just give you guys a plan of what I think will happen for the rest of the day. Um, let's just extend this over here. This is probably the draw on Dixie, and this was okay. So this volume imbalance here is of note. So watch for what we do inside here, and then besides for that, where was the NWOG on Dixie, Roy? Oh, it was over
It
here.
was higher.
Oh yeah, it was higher, eh? Wait, no. Was it lower?
Nwog.
The NWOG.
Yeah.
Oh, is that grab? Oh,
Oh,
oh, I thought it was
yeah, it's
higher.
over here. It's over here. It's over here. Here's your new week opening gap, guys. So you want to extend this out in your chart. Um, because if we do take out this high and possibly this high into this volume imbalance, I do believe we can do something like this. Like come up, take out that, fake out. There we go. And then we see down here. Um, just depends on what if you guys are trying to trade. Um, wait for the PM session. Right, the PM session's more favorable than even the
Yeah.
9:30 open. But if you really want to trade ASAP, which I might actually do before I sleep, but 9:30 is in the equities open is in 17 minutes, so I'd watch for what happens there. Um, look for SMT divergence between Euro USD and GBP USD, because I have a slight feeling that one of these will take out the news low and one of them won't. But other than that, thanks guys for joining the stream. If you haven't already, I'll just pull it up now. No, not that. Very. There we go. Make sure to give us a subscribe over here on YouTube. 128 subscribers. The videos have been doing really well. People have been subscribing. Make sure to watch them. This one's done really well. Shout out Roy for the risk management video.
Cheers, yeah, guys. Go check that one out.
Point stack is shilling RN.
Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter. At the Linesman TA is the handle. And then if you go to the link in our bio, first of all, can we appreciate what the one of one Pantherium NFT? Can we just appreciate it? This is beautiful. I don't know how else to put it. Um, but if you guys want yourself one of these and what you can do with one of these, fill in this Google form, which is also in the pinned tweet and in the bio. You can apply for the Discord where you can then get whitelist. I'll be releasing a new Medium article tomorrow on an update on the project as we get closer towards mint. But if you haven't already, go to the VIP's NFT. First, give it a follow, then give Linesman a follow, then read this Medium article so then you'll know everything that you need to know. Until the next one, which you'll see all over Twitter because you have notifications on, right? You do, right?
Essential. It's absolutely essential.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
Mandatory.
Yeah, quick update. Yeah, this is the draw, without a doubt, on Dixie. You can get a retracement. This is the imbalance it's making now. But render, good luck, CoinStacker. GBP, okay, so you want to see for which one of these takes out this low, because I think there might be SMT divergence, and then we could see higher as Dixie hits here and retraces lower. But other than that, any words, Roy? Any words, Dana?
Nah, that's all right. Just make sure you follow all the socials and catch me
Yeah,
in the
and
Discord.
remember, guys, we'll be doing this type of stream for all the major news events, so like CPI,
Yeah,
NFP.
it
So
was it
yeah,
was pretty hard to get a trade today based on the news itself, because as you can see, based on this Euro USD chart, first longs get wrecked, then shorts get wrecked, then longs get wrecked, then shorts get wrecked, then longs get wrecked. So I'm not really sure what you could consider as a trade in here, but good luck to those of you trading the PM and after 9:30. But it's pretty late. We got to get to bed early morning tomorrow. So cheers, guys. Have a good one.
see you
Catch you
later,
next
guys.
time.
Thanks for watching.
See you later, everyone.